I just spoke at the Academy of General Dentistry annual meeting in Orlando, Florida. And like every meeting, there are lots of exhibits that are up and down the floor, and there are lots of salespeople that are sitting behind those exhibits. And it's amazing to me. I don't know if you ever ask yourself this question, but why is it sometimes when you go to the exhibit floor and some booths are always busy, no matter what they're selling? It could be the hottest thing in dentistry. It could be something that hasn't been, hot for a few years, but the booth is always busy. And or then there are always booths that are just never busy. And they could have something that's hot in dentistry right now, but for some reason, they're just never busy. Well, I got to tell you, the answer is certainly it's got a little bit to do with the product and if there's a lot of interest in the product. Certainly it may have to do with people like me who get up on the podium and we speak about certain things and we may mention certain products or certain technologies, and then dentists will go and want to check them out. But undoubtedly, as I go around from meeting to meeting, and I hit probably about 30 meetings a year of all different sizes, big to small, undoubtedly it comes down to the salespeople that are behind the counter there. And some of them aren't even behind the counter. They are out there dragging dentists and engaging dentists into their booth space or to tell them about what they've got. It's really got to do with a great salesperson. If you're just an order taker and you're just sitting behind the desk waiting for people to come up, in this day and age, it is tougher because dentists have a lot of ways to order now, and one way, or one of many ways, is to wait to get to a meeting and then go to a booth. Dentists do like the touchy-feely kind of things in demonstrating products. That's true, but a lot of what they have, they can just order over the phone. So what I see, or over the internet. So what I see primarily is when I see good salespeople out there, they are engaging dentists, and not just engaging them and trying to sweep them into their booth with all kinds of silly ideas, but just engaging them, developing a real fast connection and a good relationship with them. That's how you get a booth that is really, really busy. Yeah, sure. You must listen. What the company that you are working for must have some good products. That's why you're working there. So I believe they've got some good products. Now, go out there, make that quick connection with dentists as they're going down the aisle. See if you can just take a minute of their time and try to engage them. Once you've got a few people around the booth, by the way, you and I both know that a crowd really will develop into a bigger crowd, because once dentists are walking by and they see a few dentists around your booth talking to you, they'll stop and they'll want to see what is going on and what the excitement is. You're the one that's got to develop that excitement. It's not going to happen by itself. We'll see you at the next meeting, and if I can help you at all, by all means, feel free to email me. You can find my contact information on www.commonsensedentistry.com. We'll see you next month.